In insert tab we can see some advanced features to create and add into the worksheet, such as pivot table and table, pictures and online pictures, Office apps, Excel charts, etc. We can learn now the table, an advanced feature. Table is a powerful feature in Excel. It manages and analyzes a group of related data easier. We can quickly change a range of cells in a worksheet as a table. But please note, before creating a table, make sure the table data will not have blank rows and column names are unique. Let us learn it detailedly. Here given a sample data. We can convert this data as a table. Click on table, table. The dialog box open and asking about the table has headers. We know our table has a header, so we can select it. Click on OK. Okay, automatically a table is created. In table we can simply sort and filter the data. For example, I am opening the date. I am filtering here. Suppose I am clearing some years data. Okay. That particular year data are only shown. Other data are gone to hidden. Again I am going to the filtering data. Then giving again the tick mark. Okay, all data are shown. Now I am sorting the data on the basis of the date. Click on date. I am sorting newest to oldest. The newest data are come first. And again I am going to the date. Sort oldest to newest. All the data are come first. Now I am sorting the data on the basis of the color. Okay, only red colors are shown. Again I am going to the color. Select all. Again I am sorting the data on the basis of the region. I am setting only the north region. North regions are only shown. Again I am going to the select all. In table the headings are fixed. It will not scroll while we scrolling. Now I am giving the formula to total the sale equal sign sales into unit. We can say a special formula is shown here. I am giving the enter key. Automatically all sales are calculated, and at the end I wanted to total the sales. So I wanted to add a row into this table. Here we can drag this area into down. Okay, a new row is added. Then I am positioning the cursor here. Then I am giving the normal command, sigma symbol. Okay, it is total. In formula bar we can see the formula subtotal instead of sum, and total sales in formula bar we can see the formula. These formulas are different from the normal formula, and in sum it is different. The subtotal is given. Let us learn the difference. I'm filtering again the data. For example, I want the latest data, so I'm removing the 3 years data. Okay, then go to down. We can see the total. It is automatically updated. Again, I'm going to date. I'm adding a year to the data. Okay, then I'm going to down. Okay, totals are changed. In this one I'm giving only color, calculation on the basis of color. I am giving only the blue color and removing the green, red and silver. Okay, the blue color's data is only shown. Go down, you can see the difference. Then I am giving region. I am setting only the west region and other regions I am releasing now. Okay, we can see the value, the total value. Again I am going to the date. I am giving select all, and in color I am giving select all. In region I am giving select all. Okay, then I am going to down. You can see the difference. 42,000. Again I am going to the area. Then color I am changing. Here I am giving select all. Automatically updated and the previous data is come. We can add row or column simply into this table. Position the cell pointer, a column, a row to be added. Then click on insert, insert sheet row or insert sheet column. We can also add row or column by clicking right button. Example, click on right button, insert column to the right. A column is added. Insert row above. A row is added.